My name is Ryan St. John. I'm the Director of People Operations here at Prometheus Group. I'm really excited to show you today some interviews that we've done with current employees to talk about their current experience and how they've grown at Prometheus Group to give you a good perspective of what it's going to be like if you work here.
What I would say to someone who is considering joining Prometheus Group is be ready for an adventure. There's lots of opportunities to grow not only in your career. When you work hard at Prometheus Group, you're rewarded. Whether that's, opportunities to go travel the world. I've been all over the world with Prometheus Group. I've been to Australia, Germany, Canada, and inside the US, but also just the opportunity to expand to other job functions as well.
So I've always had a passion for maintenance because that has been my background. So I've worked as a technician, as a maintenance engineer, as a reliability engineer, as a regional planner. Getting to know about Prometheus Group through one of your recruiters and getting to see the solutions and how we can really change our customer experiences and help them solve their problems was quite inspiring for me, because this was also part of what I was doing internally in the organization that I was working for in my previous role.
I've grown with Prometheus, starting at the bottom, coming in as more of a BDR role. And then through that, I got moved around a little bit, which initially was uncomfortable for me. And looking back, I think I really got to see the value in learning every aspect of the business, which benefits me the most in my role now and collaborating with different teams.
I think how every single day is different. I come from a military background where every day quite literally is different. Moving into an office role, I was kind of expecting a little bit more of a chilled out atmosphere, but I got quite the opposite. Having to undertake customer meetings and being involved in different types of conversations with all different types of people from all different walks of life. The opportunity was really exciting for me, and I feel like it's something that I've grown into.
I think that speaking from someone who's been in the sales industry and leads for a good amount of time, you're not going to find a better BDR job than you will at Prometheus. It's really been transformative for me, opened a lot of doors, and I made the choice to move here because I wanted to work with not only James, but all the fantastic people at the company. So I would really say, put your best step forward, really try, because I think if you don't, you'd be missing out on a big opportunity.
The culture of Prometheus Group is very open. So even if the company is now 28 years old, we still have very much startup culture. So it's really feeling very family-like. And that is really down to from the new BDR to the CRO. So you really have a very engaged culture that you can ask questions, that you have people to support you, because in the end, everyone wants to work together and succeed.
As a piece of advice to anyone looking to join Prometheus Group, the products that we have are fantastic. They absolutely deliver within a plant environment. That's really important to me, and it should be important to anyone else looking to join the business, that they can really get behind what we're out there trying to sell.
Don't be scared to trust your judgment. Your judgment will be right a lot of the time, so very much lean in, get stuck in, think fast, move fast, and then you'll learn from it. And then if you make a mistake, fine, but generally you get it right most of the time.
What I would say to someone who's considering joining Prometheus is be ready for anything and be quick on your feet, and don't ever be flat-footed. Just because we move so quickly, and I think that's one of the best things about this company is that there's never a stale moment. We're always trying to innovate, and I think that speaks testaments to what we're doing with our product.
What I would say to someone who's considering joining Prometheus Group is to come in open-minded and like a sponge. There are so many avenues to success personally and for the company here. We're in a huge growth period right now, and there's a spot for everyone.
Do it. Okay, if you want to grow and if you want the ability to be able to hone your skills, to understand different areas of business and industry and maintenance and practices, it is the company to come to. The software is innovative, it's changing all the time. From 8 years, I have seen a mass change in the way we deliver the software, in the different solutions we have. We're bringing AI into the mix. It's always this learning and sort of at the forefront of what we do. And so if you want to be challenged, Sure, there's going to be some tough days, but those tough days are counteracted with some of the good days. And so when you leave a customer and you've done well and they feel happy and they trust you, that's kind of the feeling you get, that buzz. It's great. Okay, so we really, be prepared to put some energy in, but it is a solid, wise choice to make.